Want to ensure your LinkedIn profile is showcasing your absolute best and most current professional story. Let's get your outdated resumes cleared out to make way for your winning qualifications. First, navigate to your own LinkedIn profile page. You'll want to be logged in and looking at your personal profile. Once you're on your profile, locate the More button. It's usually found near your profile picture and headline. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. In that drop-down menu, you're looking for an option that allows you to edit your resume section, or a similar View More option that might lead you there. Now you'll see a list of all the resumes you've uploaded to your LinkedIn profile. Each resume will likely have an edit or delete option associated with it. Find the specific resume you want to remove. To the right of each uploaded resume, you should see a small icon, often a trash can or an X, indicating the delete function. Click on that delete icon. LinkedIn will then present you with a confirmation prompt to ensure you genuinely want to remove the file. To complete the removal, simply click the Remove or Delete button on the confirmation pop-up. And there you have it. That outdated resume is now gone from your profile, helping recruiters focus on your most up-to-date accomplishments. Keeping your profile sharp and relevant is key to unlocking those career opportunities.